Okay, well, let's talk about subtraction. Let's talk about subtraction a little bit in first grade. Let's talk about subtraction. So what is subtraction? If you think about subtraction, what is it really? What are you doing when you subtract, right? So let's look at this. Let's say we have a basket, and I have this basket full of balls. A basketball, really. I have a basket full of balls, and there's 6 balls in it. And a kid comes around, and a lady comes around. 2 people come around, and they want to get 2 of the balls, right? So I'm going to go ahead and take away and give 2 of the balls to those 2 people. So I'm going to give away or take away 2 from that 6. So essentially what that's saying is I'm going to take that 6 that I have originally, then I'm going to take away from that 6. I'm going to take 2 away from that 6. And so essentially what I'm going to have left after I take away the 2 balls and give it to the people, I'm going to have 4 balls left. So 6 take away 2 is 4. And that's essentially what subtraction is. It's showing that you have something that you already have and you're taking away something from that. So that's really what subtraction is. You're taking away something from what you already have. So when you think about it, it doesn't matter how you look at it. You may start off with a certain amount and then you're going to take something away. And that's what subtraction, that's what you're doing when you subtract. You're taking away from what you already have. And so in this example, we know whether it's balls or cats or dogs, no matter what we're doing, if we start out with 6 of them and we take away 2, then no matter what we're going to do, we're going to be left with 4. 4 is going to be our answer. When we start off with 6 and we take away 2, we're going to be left with 4. 4 will be the answer. So let's look at this another way. Sometimes you're going to see subtraction like this, where the number that you're going to take away from is going to be on top, and there's going to be another number on the bottom that you're going to take away. So 5 minus 4, that's how you would read it. You start with a number on top and a number on the bottom that you're going to take away. 5 minus 4. Sometimes you might see it like this, written this way, horizontally. You have 5 minus 4. That's how you read it. So no matter which way you look at it, you might see it in different ways. You're going to have to figure out what addition is, what subtraction is and how you're going to work with it. So let's look at this worksheet and let's get some practice real quick. This might be something you might see like in school, something you might take a look at. Let's see if we can figure out the answers to several of these problems right here. So let's take a look at the first one, 5 minus 4 up on the top left. What's 5 take away 4? See if you can figure that out and remember that is. You probably got that. That's 1. 5 minus 4 is 1. What if you start out with 4 minus 4? 4 and you take away 4. What will you have? Well, you're going to have 0 from that. And what if we go over here and we have 5 minus 3? 5 take away 3. You're going to end up with 2. And then let's go down here to 4 minus 3. What if we have 4 minus 3? What happens if you take away 3 from 4? 4 minus 3 is 1. And let's look at this next one. What about 3 minus 2? 3 minus 2 is 1. And then 4 take away 2. What about 4 minus 2? What's 4 take away 2? That's going to be 2. It's going to be equal to 2. And let's do this last one over here. 4 minus 1. What is that going to be? That's going to be 3. So see if you can figure out the rest. And we'll have a worksheet down below linked so that you can kind of practice and work on this on your own. But see if you think about this and really get practice with subtraction. Start out with the small numbers first and see if you can go even higher and work your way up.